Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying to achieve the wet look. So if you want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like soaking wet. Like I just got out of the shower 2 minutes ago. This is what it looks like with no product. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner. You wanna make sure your hair is fully detangled before you start any of this, or it's just not gonna work at all. So I'm gonna go in with like this much. And I'm just gonna brush that through with my Tangle Teaser. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after I combed all the leave-in conditioner through. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. And what you want to use for this is an oily, like twisting cream, or like a butter or something that's really oily like this. So I'm gonna take probably this much at first. The thought process I had when I first tried this was I tried it with wetline before, and I also used the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and they're so oily that the gel can't leave a gel cast. Like it can't harden because it's so like greasy. So yeah, that was my thought process behind that. Let's see if it works again this time. Okay, so now that I have product in my hair, I'm gonna re-wet it so it can hold all of that water. Okay, now I'm gonna go in sections towards the front. Like this. I'm gonna brush this through one more time just to make sure it's detangled. Okay. You see how the cream's already giving me a little bit of definition and it's weighing my curls down a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with my Wetline Extreme Gel. We're gonna be using a lot of this. So I'm probably gonna use this much at first. Let's see if that's enough. Spray it a little bit. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. We're gonna have to get the roots more. And now I'm just gonna take one pump of the Camille Rose Curl Maker, just like this much. I'm gonna put this over. You don't need a lot of it. Okay, so this is what we want it to look like. Just like weighed down, a little wavy. Okay. Now I'm gonna clip this back and go on to the next section. Okay guys, so I'm halfway done and look how shiny my hair is. It's really weighed down. All I know is it's gonna take forever to dry. with how much gel I used, but it's looking wet so far, but it is wet, so of course, but it's really weighed down right now. Like I can't even see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest and we'll see at the end what we're working with. Okay, so I'm on my last section. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Put some more of the twisting souffle on, just a little bit. Take a lot of gel. You want to get your ends too. My ends are so frizzy. I think they need trimmed again. You want to get it as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to take probably like 2 pumps of gel, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. And just keep smoothing it, separating it with my finger. Okay. So, and this is what it's looking like so far. I don't even know what to say about this, so let's see. I'm just gonna take some more of the curl maker. Okay. I don't know what I don't know what to do with this because I don't want to wear it back all the way. So let's see. This is the problem I knew I would have. Like, where do I want the, like, how do I want to part it or whatever? Because I don't want it in my face. So let's see. Okay. Maybe like, I don't want to look like a mom with a bump it. Okay. Maybe I can try. Okay, I'm gonna take my paddle brush. I just want to see what this looks like brushing it. Okay, so I kind of like that better. Okay, that looks a little better. Let's see, I kind of want like a little something hanging down, so I'm gonna just coil this. This is so heavy, like I can't. Okay, maybe I'm feeling this. Okay, let's see what I can do to fix this. I think I'm feeling this. My hairline is so ugly right now, I can't. Okay. I swear to God, if this looks bad, because I don't have any hopes right now. Just keep smoothing. Smooth it all down. Okay. I am not liking this. Are you kidding me right now? Look. Okay, what about one side? Okay, I'm gonna take this and just see how this looks. I don't know where to part it at. Okay, let's try on the way back. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Like that. That's how I wanted it. Okay. Okay. We're onto something right here. Like I just wanted my sides visible. If I do that on this side, do I like that? I don't know. Okay, so I like it on this side. Do I want it back? I'm gonna look like a grease ball. Okay, maybe this. Okay, I really don't know what to part it as, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry, because I just really don't know where I want my part at, because it looks weird right now, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'll let it dry and I'll show you guys what it looks like. My part will probably be changed, but I'll just show you guys at the end. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. Hey guys, so I know you're probably wondering, where's the wet look? We didn't even get to see how it turned out. Well, I didn't like it, first of all, and if you were wondering why my voice was so annoying in most of the video, apparently I got strep throat. So I was sick for 3 days, and with the wet look, I did not like it. It dried soft like I thought it would with the greasy twisting butter and all that, but I just did not like it. My hair shrunk up and it's just not a look for me. I look like Lord Farquaad. I just was not feeling it. So I'm just gonna give this one a fail. The look is not for me, but I wanna thank you guys for watching this video and watching me fail the wet look, or at least try it. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.